Students, previous video you are learned some of the rules related to the similar triangles. Yes, similar triangles and similarity. Now, example 4.1. Show the triangle PST similar to triangle PQR. It is the given diagram. For these two are given pictures, we have to prove this triangle PST similar to triangle PQR. Yes. Now you have to consider the triangle PST. For it is the given diagram, triangle PST and triangle PQR. We have two triangles. Yes, students. Yes. You have to find their corresponding sides. What are the corresponding sides? PS by PQ is equal to PT by PR. Yes. So that is the corresponding sides you have to find first corresponding side PS by PQ. Suppose you have doubt, you have to draw the triangle separately. Okay, that is PST. Another triangle what is given? Separate this triangle. Yes, separate this triangle, that is PQR. So what are the corresponding side? PS by PQ. So the values are given, that is PS is 2, PQ value 2 plus 1. Okay, for this fully PQ 2 plus 1. So that is 2 by 3. Next corresponding side, what is the next corresponding side? PT, the values what is given, that side you have to select. For it is base side not given the value, so you have to take this second side. Yes, that is PT by PR. PT by PR. PT value 4, PR value 4 plus 2. Okay, so that is equal to 4 by 6. Cancelling is possible, 4 by 6. Cancelling is possible. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So that is 2 by 3. So we have to conclude that for we get PS by PQ 2 by 3, PT by PR 2 by 3. So PS by PQ is equal to PT by PR. And angle P is common, for this triangle. For this is common P, angle P. For this also angle P. For these two have a common angle. So we have to write angle P is common. Therefore, for two sides are proportion. Yes, so that is SAS similarity. We have to apply the one angle. We have one angle and two sides are proportion. So that is by SAS similarity, triangle PST similar to triangle PQR. For this picture, you have to identify the triangle PST, another triangle PQR. So if you need, you have to take and write separately. So that is PST. Another one big triangle is, what is this? PQR. Okay, students. So that is, first you have to find their corresponding sides. The values for three sides we have. In these three sides, values where is given, so that related side you have to select. Okay, students. Yes, PS by PQ, another PT by PR. Okay, so that is PS by PQ. Their values 2 by 2 plus 3. PQ value 2 plus 3. So that is 2 by 5. Then you have to find PT by PR. PT value 2, PR value 2 plus 3. Okay, this fully PR 2 plus 3. So that is equal to 2 by 5. Now you have to compare the values 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So these two are equal. And angle P is common. So therefore, by SAS similarity, triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, students? Yes. Next example problem is very important problem. Is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. For the picture is given for a triangle ABC and triangle PQR. We have to check these two are similar. How you have to check these two are similar? The corresponding sides are equal. We said they are similar. Otherwise, they are not similar triangles. Okay, students? Yes? Okay. First, you have to find the corresponding sides. What are the corresponding sides? AB by PQ. Otherwise, you have to consider PQ by AB. That is your choice. Okay. So, corresponding sides here consider triangle ABC and PQR. The smaller triangle first they are considered, that is PQ by AB. Okay, PQ value is 3, AB value is 6. So that is 1, 3 is 3. That is 1, 3 is 3. 2, 3s are 6. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Next corresponding side QR by BC. Okay, QR by BC, that is 4 by 10. 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. So that is 2 by 5. So now you have to check these two values. These two values are not equal. So these two corresponding sides are, ratio of their corresponding sides are not equal. So the corresponding sides are not proportional. So therefore the triangle is not similar. A triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR. Have you understood, students? Student, listen some of the definitions. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding sides are proportional. Two, the triangles are equiangular if the corresponding angles are equal. Triangles are equiangular if the corresponding angles are equal. These are one word questions. Okay. Then note, a pair of equiangular triangles are similar if a pair of equiangular triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, then they are equiangular. For these 4 points are in a one word questions.